Welcome to this scientific presentation on Magalix D3, a clinically advanced formulation by Azmed Healthcare. This unique combination of magnesium glycinate and vitamin D3 offers a synergistic approach to addressing multiple health concerns, including muscle health, bone health, diabetes, neuron health, and cardiac health. Let us begin by exploring the crucial interplay between these two essential nutrients. Magalix D3 by Azmed Healthcare. Composition. Each tablet contains magnesium glycinate complex Ec2 elemental magnesium 250 mg, vitamin D3 1000 U. Magnesium and vitamin D3 share a critical synergistic relationship. 1. Role of magnesium in vitamin D3 activation. Magnesium is essential for converting vitamin D3 into its active form, calcitriol, which is crucial for calcium and phosphate metabolism. Without adequate magnesium, the body cannot fully utilize vitamin D3, leading to deficiencies in calcium regulation and bone health. 2. Role of vitamin D3 in magnesium absorption. Vitamin D3 enhances magnesium absorption, regulates its utilization, and supports its storage in the body. This synergy is pivotal for maintaining optimal calcium metabolism, neuromuscular health, bone strength, overall vitality. Let's now delve into the pharmacological profiles of these key ingredients. Magnesium glycinate. A chelate form of magnesium bound to glycine, ensuring high bioavailability and a gut-friendly profile with minimal gastrointestinal side effects. It plays a crucial role in cellular energy production, neuromuscular transmission, calcium and potassium homeostasis. Vitamin D3. A fat-soluble vitamin that regulates calcium and phosphate metabolism and supports immune health. It is synthesized endogenously via sunlight exposure but often requires supplementation to address widespread deficiencies. Here's how these two components work in the body. Magnesium glycinate enhances ATP production, the energy currency of cells. Promotes muscle relaxation and nerve signaling. Maintains calcium balance and regulates blood pressure. Vitamin D3 increases calcium and phosphate absorption from the gut. Strengthens bones and teeth by enhancing calcium deposition. Modulates immune responses and reduces inflammation. Synergy. Magnesium activates the enzymes required for vitamin D3 conversion to calcitriol. Vitamin D3, in turn, improves magnesium absorption, maximizing their combined efficacy. This mutual interaction amplifies their therapeutic impact. Magalix D3 is indicated for a wide range of health conditions, including 1. Muscle cramps and spasms. Magnesium and vitamin D deficiency often cause muscle stiffness and spasms. This combination alleviates these symptoms by enhancing muscle relaxation and neuromuscular function. 2. Bone health. Ideal for managing osteoporosis, low bone density, and fracture risk by optimizing calcium metabolism. 3. Diabetes. Magnesium regulates glucose metabolism, while vitamin D improves insulin sensitivity, offering dual benefits in managing diabetes. 4. Neuron health. Effective in addressing stress, cognitive decline, and nerve function disorders by reducing inflammation and enhancing neurotransmission. 5. Cardiac health. Magnesium regulates heart rhythm and blood pressure, while vitamin D improves vascular health, making it suitable for hypertensive and cardiac patients. 6. Women's health. Provides relief from PMS symptoms, supports hormonal balance, and addresses bone health concerns in postmenopausal women. Magalix D3 is a safe and effective supplement when used as directed. Magnesium glycinate. Gentle on the stomach with minimal risk of diarrhea. Ensures high absorption for optimal magnesium levels. Vitamin D3. Safe within the recommended dosage. Avoids hypercalcemia when taken under medical supervision. Precautions. Patients with kidney disease or hypercalcemia should consult a doctor before use. The recommended therapeutic dosages. Magnesium glycinate 250 mg daily. Vitamin D3 1000 U daily. For optimal absorption and minimal side effects, it is advised to take Magalix D3 with meals. Magalix D3 stands out due to 1. Chelate magnesium glycinate, ensuring high bioavailability and gastrointestinal safety. 2. A potent dose of vitamin D3, enhancing calcium and magnesium synergy. 3. Multi-condition efficacy across muscle health, bone health, diabetes, cardiac health, and neuron health. Recommend Magalix D3 to your patients, a trusted and scientifically advanced solution from Azmed Healthcare.